Welcome to the third game of your opening day of your Interlodge Freemason Basketball League, sponsored by the so-called ballers of our commissioner, Brother Derek Valdez, and of course I'm your host for the day, the one and only newbie fan, Magic Man. As we go officially underway, Team ALTV versus AWC. Let's get it on! As Omar Hernandez gets the ball, they give it to number 3, Suase. And Team AWC, they're undermanned as they don't have bench, but they will slow things down. Let's see how they will be able to capitalize this ball game. And the crowd is on their feet. Taliara on the move. Taliara and one opportunity. And the crowd loving it. Taliara making that basket. Kuya Ian. Foul counted. That was a beautiful play right there as he takes it strong to the basket. Taliara on the line, completing the three-point play. And the fans support. Shout out to our supporters right there. Sa mga ating snacking dyan. Hello. So on the move, number 23, that's Ortiz powering his way. Rebound taken by Suase. Suase looking for his option. Suase. Hernandez wasn't able to catch that ball. Well, I was able to play with some of these people before, no? I think back in Kuya Ian's place, no? The Team ALTV. Suase on the attack. Suase and Taliara. Taliara missing that one blank shot. Rebound taken by Ortiz. Ortiz unable to complete that play. For, if I'm not mistaken, that's Ramirez. And a chance for Team ALTV to add to their lead. Garcia to Hernandez. Hernandez. Baseline against two defenders. Garcia underneath the basket. Garcia scoreless here for Team AWC. And three-point basket from Ramirez. Ramirez drains it in, cutting the lead down to 2 with the opening minutes here in the first half. Brother Monroe, San Juan, loses that handle. Well, you gotta watch out for Monroe. Monroe is a strict shooter, no? So you need to challenge those shots. Reminds me of Klay Thompson, no? Strict shooter in the Rainbow Country. But a chance for Team AWC. Ortiz at the middle to Hernandez, and that's Ramirez. Rather, Ramirez. 4 points or 5 points coming from Ramirez. We're tied at 5 at the moment. Suase thought about it. Takes it closer. Ramirez has been their main man so far, scoring all 5 points for his team. But here comes Jovan Romero. They swing it around, stolen away by Suase. Suase on the move to Taliara. Taliara again. Taliara, 4-point swing for Taliara. But he has been starting aggressively here in the first quarter, or first half rather. That's 4 points for him. It has been Ramirez against Taliara. Both guys have 4 points. Well, that is our marquee matchup for today. And Ramirez will try to add to his stats. Ramirez on the line. 2 points for Ramirez. Missing the first shot. 7-5 in favor of Team ALTV. Battle for the loose ball as he loses both free throws. And go will go to the other side, ALTV. Taliara on the fast break again. Traveling will be called against Team ALTV. Well, good intentions there for Taliara, however, it wasn't executed properly. Here comes Jovan Romero. Down low, but San Juan able to control that level. Very low. The team ALPP. Baseball pass again to Tanyara. Tanyara against Ramirez. Or rather, left hook shot. No good for San Juan. Romero, Jovan Romero brings it to the corner. Romero. Back to Ortiz. 2-on-1 situation. Hernandez to Tanyara. Tanyara makes that pass, and he has been the leading scorer here for Team ALPT with 6 points already for Tanyara. 7 points rather for Tanyara. He has been the leading scorer for Team ALPT. They swing that ball around. Pump fake. He gets his man off the air and he drains it. Domingo. Back-to-back hits for Domingo, who has been lighting it up from 3-point range. Hernandez. Tries his block. No goal. Unable to buy a basket. And Ramirez controlling that letter from behind Suase. Suase waiting for his teammates to set up. Suase. Attempted baseline. Garcia with that one-hander. Garcia contributing for his team. That was an unselfish play for Team ALPP. They go down low. Ramirez unable to execute the play. Ortiz, however, recovers. Ortiz to Romero. Back to Domingo. Domingo. Battle for the loose ball. It will go to substitution. Cabral. David is in the ball, and there's still 25 players here. He thinks a 25 Prospero in the ball game. So, brand new set of legs here. And that's one advantage of Team ALPP. They have the bench. They can wear their opponent out. Cabral, unable to track that loose ball. Here comes the attack. But David is there to stop that play. David on the transition, missing that shot. But David unable to complete it. And Team AWC not giving up on that play. Let's go, Chiefs! Down low. Berrendo to Cabral. Cabral short, but David is there for the second serving. Free throws will be rewarded for David. Foul on Matias. That's his first foul. David making his first basket. David completes the 2-point play.
Let's go, Marshall!
They're using the half-court set here. Challenging the defense. Back to Ortiz. Ortiz against 2 defenders. Taking it strong against the bigger David. And we got to admire the aggressive play of Ortiz down low to be able to challenge that taller David down the paint. Ortiz also has the height to make things happen as he goes to the free throw line. This is the best time for us to thank our sponsors. Brother JD and Shiracha Philippines, our trophy sponsors. So if Brother JD is here, we would like to thank you for sponsoring our trophies as he splits both free throws for Ortiz.
Come on, defense, let's go!
They swing it around, Prospero, Cabral, Berrendo on the attack. They will slice the defense, everything but the shot. Rebound controlled by Ortiz. They give it around. Domingo and Domingo, sharpshooter. get that ball.
Slow it down,
Here comes
Webby!
Matias, manning the point guard chores. Domingo again! Domingo back to back! From right distance.
Let's go!
Hot-handed. Domingo lighting it up from downtown.
There you go!
Here comes AWC trying to slow things down.
Come on, Joe Biden, you got this!
Ortiz missing. And the crowd on their feet. Timeout ALPB. What an intense ball game. Our score is okay. Now our score is 16 to 15. Team AWC up by 1. We'll be right back after this timeout. Yung number 1 ba? AWC. Marshall ba? Marshall? Tama, Marshall. Back to the action. Team AWC out of the heroic performance of Domingo. They're now up by 1. 16 to 15. And he will try to join the fray. Short on that one. Rebound taken away by Lakman. Berreno, rather yeah, that's Berreno. And short for the attempt in Lakman. Ball will remain. ALPB will regain possession here in this ballgame. What an exciting ballgame so far. Both teams want to get their first win in this tournament. Let's see who will prevail. Cabral missing. Too strong in that one. Rebound taken by Lakman. Back to Berreno. Berreno to David. David thought about it. Takes it strong to the hole. He is making a living in the free throw area. Well, David has been making those free throws. He's using his size advantage against Ortiz and Matias in the paint. And David missing his first free throw. Again, this is a 4-game opening day for our inter-lunch Freemason basketball. So this is our third game, ALPB versus AWC. As David splits his cherries, the red traffic is Matias. Pump fake, traveling violation for Jovan Romero. So there's some substitution right here.
Ano yung uniform mo?
Hernandez and Talayara back in the ballgame. And this is a party matchup between Domingo and Talayara. What a performance for both guys, for both our brothers, showcasing their skills here and talent. Hernandez, no good for him. System option, physicality down low for number 45. He's still on the list. Number 45. Matias, facilitating, swings it around. Marshall, off the mark. Hernandez on the run. Italiana, exported runner. Substitution, everything. Good substitution. Suaze in the ballgame. The backcourt of ALPB against Matias and company. Domingo again, the sharp shooter. This time he misses. Baseball pass to Talyara. Talyara using his left hand. What a fantastic play there by Talyara. But Talyara able to deflect the defender. Matias, too strong. They throw it again to Talyara against two defenders. Talyara challenging the D. And Talyara slicing the defense with that spectacular play. Ian Talyara leading ALPP with his fast break points. Ortiz squeezing himself, traveling for Ortiz. Baseball pass again, David to Talyara. Talyara is on fire. Talyara throws it. And Talyara. And the crowd is loving it from the bench. And that should bump up ALPP, but AWC is still very much in this ballgame. Our score is 2016. ALPP on top. But the difference maker so far, substitution. Talyara missing his first free throw. Back to the ball game is Ramirez. Talyara, as we mentioned a while ago, Talyara has been the difference maker for ALPP as he has been the spark plug for his squad. However, for Team AWC, they have Domingo. This time, they make the basket, cutting down the lead. Team AWC, not giving up on every play. Hernandez, Pope gets his man off the air. Hernandez too strong. The win, back to Hernandez. Hernandez, to Talyara. Talyara with the hand on his face. No goal. Back for the loose point. Keeping it alive. What a ball game so far. Substitution. San Juan in, back in the ballgame. David will sit down. Reverse layup. Gets his own miss and puts it back with authority. ALPP hoarding over the paint. They're slowing things down here. Romero to Marshall with the Euro. Pass. And Ramirez able to squeeze his way, or rather that's Ortiz. Ortiz and Domingo leading AWC here in this ballgame. Ortiz on the line shooting for the bonus throw. San Juan. Hernandez. Half-court set, Suwaze, all the way to shoot, Suwaze, making it rain from rainbow distance, Suwaze, wide open, Romero to Marshall, drop pass to Ramirez, Ramirez stuck in traffic, to Romero, Romero forces the issue, back to Romero loses the handle. Suwaze to Hernandez. Back to Talyara. Talyara from the elbow. Again, offensive rebounding for ALPP with 2 minutes and 7 remaining here in the first half. Physical game here. Mark on the free throw line. Substitution number 28. Mark on the free throw line. Short. Substitution Tagaw in the ballgame. Oh, this is going to be an interesting backcourt matchup here. Tagaw against Suwaze. This should be a marquee matchup, but of course the leading scorer for Team ALPP right now is Talyara, leading all scorers. As for AWC, they have Ortiz and Domingo sharing those statistics. Battle for the rebound. Mark with the rebound. Able to control it. Suase wide open again. Short. Berrendo. San Juan gets his man off the end. San Juan unable to buy a basket. Battle for the loose ball. Stay with timeout. Timeout. Team AWC. Brother Mando, number 45, what's your last name? Back to the action. San Juan lets it fly. Taken away by Matias. Matias on the run. And ball will stay with AFPB. There's some chaos now. So, with 25 seconds remaining, Tago! What a beautiful play, Tago! Showing some confidence on the offensive end with 15 seconds remaining. Setting up the play, AFPB. Will they hold on to the last shot? Let's see. Hernandez to Moralita. Moralita. His 3-point attempt. 4 seconds. Tago on the run. Tago! Buzzer beater for Tago. 4-point swing for Tago as AWC making 4 points on their fast break attempt. First score. ALKP still on top, 25 to 26 after the first half. We'll be right back after this halftime break.